Okay, this is a short little video on showing you how to add shows to your website. This is how you add an upcoming show. You go into your dashboard, you log into your website, and you go to GigPress. If this is a show that is a new venue for you, you'll want to add a venue first. And you have to go in and just click on the information: venue name, venue address, city. You can put the state if you want to. You want to put the website and the phone for the venue. So it shows up just like this. It's got the information on there for you. And then you update venue, and then that will show you all the different venues that you've got available to choose from. So again, it's important that you do add the venue first. That has to be done. And it may already be one that's existing, in which case you'll just pick it from the lineup here. The next thing that you do is you go to add a show. This is where the venue becomes important. You can select an existing venue, or you can add a new venue here as well. So you put the date. It should come up with your name for the artist. You can choose, is it all ages? Is it for 21 and over? It's in a bar. Put in the price. I generally find it's a good idea to put in the ticket URL on the ticket phone so that they can buy the tickets. Click on a link right from your website and go to that. I just like to make it as easy as possible for people to buy tickets to see you. Then you have notes. Now the notes will show up on, this is the notes are the short little intro that you have. Here's the notes, for example. On Johnny's page, this is the notes that he's put in for this concert. And so that's just a short little blurb about what it is. And that's different from the regular post, which I will be showing you. So the notes is just the short little blurb to let people know what's going on. And you can put in 2 or 3 sentences there if you'd like to, and just spell out what it is. Is it part of a tour? No. You always want to add a new post. And then once you've done that, you'll want to put in the post title. So in this case, it's Johnny appearing in Santa Fe on the date. It might be Reggie appearing at the comedy club in San Francisco, or it could be, you want it to have a post title, and the title shows up on your Facebook as well as on your post itself. You see, here's the post title. So you want to create a post title. And once you've done that, you click on Add Show. And what this does is this adds your show, plus it creates a post for you. So once you've added the show, the second step is to go into the posts and find the one that you just did. In this case, it's right here. It's generally the one at the top. So you will go in and edit this. This is where you're going to put more information about what's going on. If it was, you and a headliner, or you and another star, then I like to put in a couple of paragraphs, or a paragraph about each of you. It may be for a charity event, in which case you'd want to spell out who's there and what it's going for. So this text appears in the post, which is right here. That's different than the notes. In fact, the notes show up here, but the post is here. So you'll want to fill out information in both areas. And you want to make sure that you include a featured image. Because if you don't include a featured image, then what shows up is just the standard Facebook logo, which is not what we want. For example, here we go, pull it up. So if you don't have a featured image in the post, then what happens is this shows up here, and we don't want that. So getting back to this, the other thing is we've added now, the title of the post is correct. We've added all the text we're going to do. The category shows up because we added it through the GigPress. You have a featured image. There's 2 other important things. One is you may want to change the text that appears here or here. This is the excerpt. You could actually change this from this. These are two different bits of text here now, because you can either choose to edit the excerpt, which is the one at the top, or you can choose to edit the custom text, which is what appears with your link. So you can change that. So they don't both have to be the same thing. Like this, I'm rocking a fabulous winery, I'm walking a fabulous winery. This is the same thing, but now with using this new feature, you can change how you want that to look. Once you've done that, you have the title, you have the post, you have the featured image, and you may want to change the text. Then it's very important, because when you create the gig, it'll automatically create the post, which means that the post already exists, but without all the stuff you just put in. So you need to check update existing Facebook link. Very important, and that was something I forgot the last time we did this. If you don't update the post, it looks like this. But when you do update the post, it looks like this, where you've got all the text and stuff on there. So we want to update the existing Facebook link. Very important. And then you simply click on update. And that will add your post to your website, here, like this, and to your Facebook page, like this. So that's how you add a post. That's how you add a show, I should say, to your website. It'll show up automatically on your home page with the gig, which is here, and it will show up on the Facebook as well. So, I hope this helps. Let me know if you have questions. Ron at 925-290-7667. Thanks.